They laughed when India aimed for the moon. They said, a developing nation can't reach the stars. But India didn't just reach the moon, it landed where no one ever had before, the South Pole. And now, ISRO is planning something unthinkable, a moon city where humans could one day live, work and research. This is not science fiction, this is India's next giant leap, Chandrayaan 5 and beyond. India is not just looking at the moon anymore, it's getting ready to live there. From Chandrayaan 1's discovery of water to Chandrayaan 3's legendary South Pole landing, every mission has been a stepping stone. And now, Chandrayaan 5, the mission that could lay the foundation for India's first moon city. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the next chapter of human destiny, written by ISRO. In 1969, while the world looked up to NASA, India planted a small dream called ISRO. No advanced technology, no billion-dollar funding, only belief. And that belief has now carried India from a humble workshop in Bengaluru to the surface of the moon. Chandrayaan 1 found water molecules on the lunar surface, something no other nation had done before. Chandrayaan 2 may have failed to land, but its orbiter still circles the moon, silently gathering vital data. And Chandrayaan 3? It made India the first nation to land at the moon's south pole, where no sunlight reaches and no human has ever stepped. Each mission was a message to the world that India's dreams may take time, but they never stop. And now comes Chandrayaan 4, India's next big leap. Unlike its predecessors, this mission isn't just about landing or orbiting. Chandrayaan 4 will bring a piece of the moon back home. It's India's first lunar sample return mission, designed to collect and return moon soil and rock to Earth. It will test something no Indian spacecraft has ever done before: take off from the moon's surface, dock in orbit, and re-enter Earth's atmosphere safely. This is the bridge between exploration and settlement, because once India understands what the moon is made of, it can begin building there. That's where Chandrayaan 5 enters, the mission beyond exploration. ISRO's preparing Chandrayaan 5 not just to explore but to build. It's expected to carry advanced rovers and mini labs designed to study how we can extract and use lunar resources, especially water ice. Because water isn't just for drinking, it's rocket fuel. Hydrogen and oxygen from lunar ice can power spacecraft, turning the moon into a refueling station for deep space travel. ISRO's long-term plan aligns with global lunar missions. Just like NASA's Artemis project and China's International Lunar Research Station, India aims to establish a permanent scientific base near the moon's south pole by the 2030s. This moon city will house solar arrays, oxygen generators, 3D printed habitats, and AI-controlled labs, powered by Indian innovation. Building a moon base isn't easy. Extreme temperatures, radiation, and micrometeorites can destroy machinery in seconds. That's why ISRO is collaborating with JAXA for a joint lunar polar exploration mission, sharing data on soil composition and ice mapping. India is also part of the Artemis Accords, joining a global alliance for peaceful space exploration. But ISRO's greatest strength isn't money or machines. It's mindset. Every mission has taught something new, and every failure has been a lesson. When Chandrayaan 2's lander crashed, India didn't give up. It rebuilt, improved, and succeeded with Chandrayaan 3. That resilience defines India's space story. The future economy will rise from space. Helium-3, a rare isotope abundant on the moon, can power fusion reactors, clean energy for centuries. If India perfects lunar mining and energy tech, it can lead the trillion-dollar space economy. From Bengaluru to the moon, India could power Earth's next industrial revolution. And this journey doesn't stop there. Lunar mining, AI-assisted robotics, and space manufacturing will be part of India's next missions. Soon, Chandrayaan won't just mean a moon mission. It'll mean a new home for humanity, built with Indian innovation. This isn't just about rockets and rovers. It's about a nation that dared to dream when the world laughed. It's about every Indian scientist who worked through the night, not for money, but for a mission. Chandrayaan 5 isn't just another launch. It's a promise that when humanity builds its first home on another world, an Indian will be there to light the lamp, The journey from Chandrayaan 1 to Chandrayaan 5 is the story of how one nation rose beyond gravity itself. The moon city isn't far anymore, it's calling. And this time, when the world looks up at that glowing sphere in the night sky, they'll know India is there. From humble beginnings in a small church in Kerala to the dream of building a city on the moon, this is the journey of a nation that refuses to stop dreaming. Chandrayaan 5 is not just a mission, it's a message. India is ready to lead the future of humanity beyond Earth. What do you think? Comment below from which place you are watching, and also like, share and subscribe. Watch my other videos on DRDO and ISRO.